Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Coolife. And pretty much what it is a trail camera or a hunting camera that you can use to hunt animals if you guys want to use and hunt people. And pretty much what I mean by hunting people is that you guys can actually leave this at home to hunt people, to kind of like put like a home security for your home and whatnot. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when we first open the product itself, you guys can see that they provide you some little user guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. They provide you a lot of different cables on here, you guys can see. They pretty much have a lot of different accessories that you can use to kind of make your experience a lot easier to set up the camera and everything. Here we have the actual camera itself, but before I show you guys that, I want to show you guys what else comes out the package first. So they provide you a bunch of accessories. So this is another little mounting accessory that you can use to kind of clip it in place and hold the product. They have this little mounting accessory that you can actually mount it onto your home or wherever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. And they provide you some screws so you can actually use it to screw it onto the wall or where you guys want to put it as well. And they provide you a 32GB micro SD card that you can use to put on the camera itself. But you guys can see there's no card right here, and the reason why is because I already set it all up on the camera itself. So if you guys can see, this is basically what the product looks like. Has a bunch of little stickers on the actual device, so you can actually remove that when you guys are actually using it. Basically, if you guys can see right here, there's 3 sensors right here to kind of like sense any kind of motion wherever it is, and the sensors itself is actually pretty strong once you guys remove the stickers and whatnot. Here's the camera lens where actually we'll be recording the animal or person that you're hunting and whatnot. Has a bunch of these IR LEDs if you guys can see right here. And then if you guys want to open up, all you have to do is kind of unlatch both of these right there, and then you guys can actually open up the product itself. And then the inside, this is basically what it looks like, as you can see. So obviously here is a monitor, menu button, replay button, left and right button right here to record pictures, shot okay, so you guys can control it all on here. If you guys take a look at the bottom, this is where you actually plug in the micro SD card that they provide you. There's an aux cord option right here, micro USB port to plug it in right here, and then here's the on and off switch right here. So if you guys take a look at the on and off switch right here, there's actually 3 different options on here. So there's an off option, there's a test, and there's an on. So test means that you guys actually want to kind of see how the quality is, what kind of setting you guys want to set it on and everything. And then once you guys finish setting the settings, you guys can actually turn it on to the on option, and actually will start activating the product to use and whatnot. And if you guys take a look right here, this is the speaker right here. For the shot and the OK button, you guys can actually use it to zoom in and zoom out. And then if you guys can see right here, there's a little component right here that you guys can actually remove. And once you guys remove it, you can see that this is where you guys actually put in the battery on here. So for this product itself, it uses 4 these AA batteries. So you guys will probably want to get 1 of these or get 8 of these and then put it on here, so then the product itself can actually work and whatnot. And if you guys ever get confused on how to use each different mode, it actually has instruction right here that will tell you how to use each different mode and whatnot. And you guys can also check out the quick starter guide or the user manual itself to kind of understand how each one works and whatnot. So let me turn it on to the test option first. Alright, so you can see that it's welcome and everything. So you guys can see that it starts working on here. So basically once you guys set the setting on here and how you guys want to record it, it's like change the time, what kind of setting you guys want to use, like what kind of quality and everything. If you guys look at the screen, it tells you guys what you guys set it on and everything. So that's pretty cool. So the time right there and what kind of quality you guys are recording on, the battery life on here. You guys can actually set all that on here. So if you guys click the menu button, you guys can change whatever you guys want on here. So the settings, the mode, the photo resolution, the video, video length, and the list goes on here. So it just goes on. You guys control everything on here, so the sensitivities and whatnot. And once you guys finish setting everything up, you guys can actually activate the product like this by turning it on. And then actually will start turning on the product. You can see on here that this will indicate a light to let you guys know when it's working or not. So I'm just gonna go do some quick tests of the product itself to show you guys what the quality and everything looks like, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the hunting or trail camera itself. We can put it into the water and see when actually it's waterproof or not. We're gonna fully submerge it. Alright, so the product itself is fully submerged. If I let go, you guys can see that it floats. So the product itself, it does float, but you guys can see that it is pretty waterproof, so that's pretty awesome. Alright, let's open up and see if there's any water that got inside. Alright, so none of the water actually got inside, but you guys can see that it's right here, like on the corner or throughout the product itself. But but nothing that's got inside the product, so that's pretty cool. So we can see here that the product itself is pretty waterproof. Alright, so basically I'm using the trail camera, the hunting camera right now to record, and you guys can hear the audio of what it actually kind of sounds like. But you can see that the quality of the image itself is pretty nice. So I believe right now it's on the the night vision mode. You guys can see what it looks like. So let me actually turn on the light and show you guys what it actually looks like when it's not on night vision. Alright, so you can see this is basically what it looks like without the night vision mode on. If you guys saw earlier, when, it's kind of dark and everything, it's black and white, that's the night vision mode. But now you guys can see that the clear color and everything is on. So pretty much when it's in daylight, you guys see stuff a lot clearer, but in the night vision mode actually works as well. Just doesn't get that color and everything. But basically this is what it sounds like, and this is what it looks like. Welcome back, guys. So now you guys saw the Tesla product. You can see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. So pretty much once you guys mount the product on here or on the back or whatever onto a tree or somewhere in your home or whatever, just keep it somewhere that's stable and whatnot, so that way it can record whatever you guys need to, and then don't have to worry about bad image quality or bad video quality. Ideally, if you guys live in the city or something, you guys want to use that as a security camera in front of your house, most likely you guys shouldn't use it because it's so easy for someone to steal it, and all you have to kind of do is just remove this part right here, and then they can just steal the batteries, steal the SD card and everything, and just run away with it. But if you guys saw from the test itself, you guys can see that the image quality, the video quality, night vision, everything works really well. But now that we did all the tests for the video quality, the image quality, and the waterproof test and everything, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I wouldn't say this is really worth it for myself. Unless I want to capture animals, or if I'm hunting or something, but I don't really go hunting and whatnot, so this wouldn't be ideal for me. But if you guys are someone who goes hunting or live in the forest or something, where you guys want to capture a lot of image of animals, or if you guys want to hunt animals, then this product would be really worth it in that case. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one of these, or don't need one of these, or just don't hunt animals in general, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have